Today we are hiking to the summit of Flat Top Mountain. Flat Top Mountain is in Virginia, in the Peaks of Otter National Recreation Area. The distance to the top is about 2.6 miles, and it's got a pretty good bit of elevation gain, about 1,500 feet. After about a half a mile of relatively level trail, the trail starts to get much steeper behind me, and we essentially are going to be climbing that slope on a series of switchbacks that go all the way up it. He is officially on my back now. I think he's gonna settle in for a nap. He weighs in at about 30 pounds now, so with him in the carrier, it is a good workout for me. What is this? The sun is coming out. We're close to the top. The trail is noticeably rockier. Reminds me of some of those New England hikes. Though you can't beat New England rocky. They take the prize. This is where it starts to get nice and steep now. Plenty of rocks around here. We're gonna climb up through there, and then there's a false top where you think you're almost to the top. And then we get to the actual summit of Flat Top. From where we are, we've probably got about 400 more feet of elevation gain to do. And we're gonna do that in about 4/10 of a mile. So we are quite close. We've already done about 2.2 miles. So we're getting real close. We have made it to the summit now. The summit of Flat Top is 4,001 feet above sea level, and as you can see, most of the summit is covered by trees and small rocks. However, right over this way on the east side, behind those rocks, there's a great view. A little bit of a narrow passage up through some briars and other small brush. It's a good time of year to do it before everything is grown up. When we hike, I also like to find the official benchmark for each mountain. There's a rather steep summit up here that I'm going to climb up to for some views. So while I do that, this little guy's having some snack. He loves blueberries. The best views are found up here. It's a short but steep boulder climb. This is looking up to the north, and then looking back that way, we're looking east. That is toward Lynchburg. We turn this way to the southeast, and then the more immediate south, Peaks of Otter area. And for a long time, people like George Washington and Thomas Jefferson thought that Sharp Top was taller than Flat Top. It is not. It's about 150 to 200 feet less, but because of the steepness of the peak, it looks like it's taller than Flat Top. The breeze feels incredible. I'm about to load my son back on my back, and then we are going to make the great climb back to Flat Top. remember, every day is a great day for a hike.